Samadhi. Poem written by Sri 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 Paramhamsa Yogananda. Vanished the wheels of light and shade, lifted every vapor of sorrow, sailed away all dawns of fleeting joy, gone the dim sensory mirage. Love, hate, health, disease, life, death, perish these false shadows on the screen of duality. The storm of Maya stilled by magic wand of intuition deep. Present, past, future, no more for me, but ever present, all flowing, I, everywhere. Planets, stars, stardust, earth, volcanic bursts of doomsday cataclysms. Creation is molding furnace, glaciers of silent X-rays, burning electron floods. Thoughts of all men, past, present, to come, every blade of grass, myself, mankind, each particle of universal dust, anger, greed, good, bad, salvation, lust, I swallowed, transmuted all into a vast ocean of blood of my own one being. Smouldering joy, oft puffed by meditation, blinding my tearful eyes, burst into immortal flames of bliss, consumed my tears, my frame, my all. Thou art I am thou, thou art I am thou, knowing, knower, known as one, tranquil, unbroken thrill, eternally living ever new peace, enjoyable beyond imagination of expectancy. Samadhi bliss, Samadhi bliss. Not an unconscious state or mental chloroform without willful return. Samadhi but extends my conscious realm beyond limits of mortal frame to farthest boundary of eternity, where I, the cosmic sea, was the little ego floating in me. Was the little ego floating in me? Mobile murmurs of atoms are heard. The dark earth, mountains, whales, low, molten liquid, flowing seas change into vapors of nebulae. Om blows upon vapors, opening wondrously their wheels. Oceans stand revealed, shining electrons still at the last sound of cosmic drum. Vanish the grosser lights into eternal rays of all-pervading bliss. From joy I came, for joy I live, in sacred joy I melt. From joy I came, for joy I live, in sacred joy I melt. Ocean of mind, I drink all creation's waves, four wheels of solid, liquid, vapor, light, lift, ride. I in everything enter the great myself, gone forever, fitful, flickering shadows of mortal memory. Spotless is my mental sky, below, ahead, and high above. Eternity and I, one united ray. A tiny bubble of laughter, I am become the sea of mirth itself. I, a tiny bubble of laughter, I am become the sea of mirth itself. A tiny bubble of laughter, I am become the sea of mirth itself. Jai Guru, Jai Guru, Jai Guru.